This is one of several pots of some of my hostas. So I originally got these hostas like for free um, several years ago now, a few years ago now. And since then, I've been able to get a ton more from them. I've planted the ones that I want to eat in pots. So these are some of the ones that I would be harvesting from. Uh, all the ones that I eat, I have in pots. I do keep some. I only harvest about a third, sometimes less than that. But I have so many of them. This is just one tiny pot. Like, there's so many. So I can eat and still have, like, enough to keep growing more. I can still split them. They're just so plentiful. Might as well eat them. So I eat mostly the shoots. And then at the more later stage, I also cook the leaves as well, the more mature leaves. And later in the season, I'll show you how I use the leaves and how we can eat them. I'll be showing you real soon how I harvest and also how I cook these. So this hostas are long time food. The plant itself is native to China, Korea, and Japan. In fact, in Japan, it's sold in almost every market, and you can order dishes in the store in the restaurants of Japan. In China, our use of it goes back for centuries. It grows wild in all three of those countries I mentioned. So yeah, we've been eating the hostas for ages. Many varieties of hostas. It's one of the few plants that all the varieties are edible. So yeah, grow them, enjoy them, eat your hostas, and love your hostas.